They didn't need chemicals, they didn't need expensive products, and they definitely didn't need a cabinet full of labels they couldn't pronounce. What they had was knowledge that worked every single time. These were the kinds of cleaning tricks passed down quietly, used daily, and trusted completely. And today, they matter more than ever. This is The Lost Taste. And today, we're diving deeper into 15 cheap vintage cleaning hacks for seniors living alone. No harsh chemicals. Expanded, explained, and brought back to life so you can actually use them. So before we begin, take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's rediscover the power of simple living. Denture tablets for stained mugs and coffee pots. This trick is one of the easiest and most satisfying. Over time, coffee and tea leave behind stubborn brown stains that feel impossible to remove without aggressive scrubbing. But instead of putting strain on your hands, you simply drop a denture cleaning tablet into the mug or pot, fill it with warm water, and walk away. Overnight, the bubbling action breaks down stains at a chemical level, without you doing anything. By morning, you rinse it out, and it looks brand new. For seniors, this is a game changer because it removes effort entirely. No scrubbing, no soaking hands in chemicals, no frustration, just results. Baking soda and boiling water for drains clogged or slow drains can be stressful, especially when dealing with heavy bottles of chemical cleaners. But this old method is simple and safe. Baking soda goes down the drain first, followed by boiling water. The reaction helps loosen grease, break down buildup, and eliminate odors. It's not just about fixing clogs, it's about preventing them. Using this regularly keeps pipes clean without risking damage or exposure to toxic fumes. For seniors, it's lighter, safer, and something you can do with items already in your kitchen. White bread for broken glass. Cleaning broken glass is one of the most dangerous household tasks, especially when tiny shards are invisible. After sweeping up the large pieces, pressing a slice of soft bread onto the floor allows it to pick up the smallest fragments. The soft texture molds to the surface and safely traps the shards. This trick reduces the need to crouch or search closely with your hands, making it safer and easier. It's a simple method, but one that can prevent serious injury. Lemon and salt for wooden surfaces. Wooden cutting boards and surfaces can hold on to odors and stains over time. Instead of using chemical sprays, a lemon cut in half and dipped in salt becomes a natural scrub. The acidity breaks down bacteria and stains, while the salt provides gentle abrasion. After a few minutes, you wipe it clean, leaving the wood fresh, clean, and safe for food preparation. It's effective, inexpensive, and completely natural. Cream of tartar for stainless steel. This forgotten pantry item works wonders on metal. Mixed into a paste, cream of tartar gently polishes stainless steel without scratching. Whether it's a sink, kettle, or appliance, it restores shine and removes dullness. Unlike harsh cleaners, it doesn't leave behind fumes or residue. For seniors, it's a gentle way to keep the kitchen looking bright without heavy scrubbing. Now pause for a second. Which one of these surprised you the most so far? Let me know in the comments, because we're just getting started. Vanilla extract for refrigerator. Odors. Instead of relying on artificial deodorizers, vanilla extract offers a natural solution. A cotton ball soaked in vanilla placed inside the fridge absorbs unpleasant smells and replaces them with a warm, comforting scent. It's subtle but effective. No chemicals, no overpowering fragrance, just a clean, fresh smell that makes your kitchen feel welcoming again. Olive oil and lemon for wood polish commercial. Wood polish sprays often contain strong chemicals that can irritate breathing. This simple mix of olive oil and lemon juice nourishes wood while adding shine. A small amount on a cloth brings life back to dull furniture, removes minor marks, and leaves behind a soft glow. It's not just cleaning, it's caring for your furniture. Walnut for scratches on furniture. This one feels almost like magic. Rubbing a walnut over a scratch allows the natural oils to fill and darken the damaged area, blending it into the surrounding wood. It's instant, requires no tools, and saves money on repairs. For seniors, it's a quick fix that avoids heavy lifting or complicated solutions. Black tea for windows and mirrors strong. Black tea contains natural compounds that cut through grease and dirt. Applied with a cloth, it leaves glass surfaces clean and streak-free. Unlike commercial sprays, it doesn't leave a harsh smell. It's gentle, effective, and surprisingly powerful. Newspaper for streak-free glass pairing perfectly with tea or vinegar. Newspaper creates a lint-free finish on glass. Paper towels often leave behind fibers, but newspaper glides smoothly and leaves surfaces crystal clear. This method has been trusted for generations for one reason. It works. Cornstarch for carpet grease stains can feel impossible to remove, but cornstarch absorbs oil naturally. Sprinkled over a stain and left overnight, it pulls the grease out of the carpet. The next day, you simply vacuum it away. No scrubbing, no bending down repeatedly, just a clean surface again. Vinegar bag for shower heads. Hard water buildup can clog shower heads, reducing water flow. Instead of scrubbing overhead, filling a bag with vinegar and tying it around the shower head allows the vinegar to dissolve mineral deposits overnight. By morning, water flows freely again. It's effortless and highly effective. Grapefruit and salt. For bathtubs, grapefruit sprinkled with salt becomes a natural scrubber that cuts through soap scum and buildup. The citrus acid breaks down residue while the salt gently cleans. The result is a fresh, clean tub without chemical smells or irritation. Club soda for clothing. Stain spills happen, but acting quickly makes all the difference. Club soda lifts stains from fabric before they set. Pour, blot, and watch the stain fade. It's simple, fast, and saves clothing from permanent damage. Baking soda for scuff. Scuff marks on walls and baseboards can make a home look worn. A damp cloth with a little baking soda removes them easily. It works just like expensive products, but costs almost nothing and avoids harsh chemicals. These weren't just tricks. They were survival tools for keeping a home clean without spending money or risking health. They remind us that sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. So now I want to ask you, which one are you actually going to try first? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Lost Taste, and share it with someone who appreciates smart, simple living. And remember, this video is educational and based on traditional practices. It does not replace professional advice for serious cleaning situations. Stay resourceful. And I'll see you in the next video.